Y'all been really liking my hair. And it's like, oh, you got the bohos and stuff like that. But guess what? It's crochet. Girl, I'm not sitting in nobody's chair for 8 hours trying to get this. No. So I decided to go my tried and true faithful route of crochet. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of crochet locks. And this is the first time I ever had crochet boho braids, so I was a little nervous, so that's why I really wanted to do this video. And plus a couple of y'all was asking about, you know, my hair, so killing 2 birds 1 stone, like I like to do. So I'm gonna give you all of the details, the cost, the maintenance, all of the good stuff y'all want to know. But if you're new here, hey, I'm Chi Chi and I talk about all things lavish but logical. So if that's your sort of thing, go ahead, subscribe, make some friends in the comment section, and follow me wherever I am off this platform. Y'all know I always get some sort of like faux crochet lock situation every summer. I've been doing it for quite a few summers. But I kept seeing boho. And I was like, damn, that really looks nice. But I really ain't got the patience to be sitting in nobody's chair for hours. I got things to do, and that's not one of the things I want to do. So I saw that on TikTok, they had these boho crochet braids, and I was like, ooh, let me try these out. So let me give you the actual shop, because you know people be taking names and stuff. I bought this from Ygwigs US on TikTok. So I was looking at it, the reviews seemed pretty decent, and I was like, you know what, honey, take a chance. And I bought some because I wanted something really cute for the summertime, and you know, it's my birthday. So I was like, I want to try something different, right? But I always had my OG stuff on standby. So let me give you the details of this one. This is the Ygwigs boho crochet box braids with human hair curls. There are 20 strands in each pack, and they are pre-looped, so you know you ain't got to do too much to it. Now, they do recommend 4 to 6 packs. I got a big head, so I opted for 7 packs because I wanted fullness, number one, because, you know, I'm a curvier girl, and I just like full hair. So I opted for 7 packs just to be on the safe side because, you know, I wasn't sure. So, oh, and it's 24 inches. Let's get into the length. This 24, it's a little bit longer. It's maybe like 26 if you really like stretch it. And this hair goes all the way to like past the crack of my butt, like from the nape. And when my stylist got it, she was like, I think this is longer than 24. I was like, I think so too. But I also feel like we're conditioned to believe that 24 is shorter because with wigs, you know, they measure from the crown of your head. I don't know where all that nonsense came from instead of the nape. So when you have a true 24 at the nape, it's a lot longer. So this hair is very long. I got the 24 inch because, you know, I want to feel like a little mermaid. Okay. That's honestly the inspiration. Little mermaid. Okay. So I ordered 7 packs. I got it. Took it out of the package. And the first thing I noticed were the braids seemed smaller than they were on the pictures. So I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough hair because it just looked really small. So thankfully I got it before my actual appointment, like a month before. And I brought one of the packs to my hairstylist. First of all, I brought it to her because the smell. I had a smoke smell to it. I don't know who was braiding up my hair, but she had that cigarette hanging from her lip and she was going to town. So my hair actually did smell like some sort of cigarette smoke. And I just took it to her. It was like, you know, I want to make sure that I'm taking care of this hair properly. So she was like, oh yeah, just give it a little shampoo bath and deep condition it and you'll be good. The smell should be out. And then also she thought that the bundles looked very thin as well. So she's like, I think you might need more, because she just recently had a client getting something similar, and she was like, I think you need to order a few more packs. And I'm like, girl, how many more packs? And she's like, at least 5. At least 5. And I was like, say what now? Because this hair was not cheap at all. I'm used to my little $8 Kanekalon. This was not. Each bundle, brace for impact, was $44. I knew this was going to be an investment for me. I was like, you know what? I want to invest in this hair. I want to have it for a while, get a couple of uses out of it, because it does have human hair on it. So that's my thought process. I was like, and also it's my birthday. So I was like, we'll try to give it a go, right? So reluctantly, I did order the additional 5 packs, and it hurt. It hurt. So my hairstylist finally gets to the appointment. She does my hair beautifully, and she's like, oh, you even have hair left over. And I'm like, yeah, it's cool, because I'm, you know, cute. And she's like, yeah, you have 5 packs left. Listen, I'd rather have more packs than no packs. Okay, so I was like, I'm gonna take this L. We're gonna reserve this hair, because if it performs, like, also I didn't know, like, all right, am I gonna take it out in 6 weeks? Am I gonna take it out in 4 weeks? I can rock it till 8 weeks. I don't know. So far right now, I've had this hair in for a month, and it's been fantastic. I was really afraid of the maintenance, which we're gonna get into, but let's talk about the weight of the hair. The weight isn't actually that bad, because the braid itself is synthetic, but the strands coming out, that's the human part. So the braid actually doesn't come all the way down to the bottom, obviously. So it stops right about here. So I'd say this is about a good 12 inches, maybe a foot, of actual braiding. So it's not very heavy. Did I feel my head going back a little bit? That's fine, because, you know, double chin gone, you know, get that nice little posture, but it's not over exceedingly heavy. So I was happy with that. And the curl on here, the curl is curling at the ends, and it looks like really great hair, and it is really great hair. Now, as far as the tangling, shedding, does it tangle? Yes, it's hair. But I feel like it does tangle because you have these strands like this. This is the main culprit of any sort of matting or tangling. I haven't had any like matting, or I haven't had any matting. But as far as tangling, yeah, you're going to get a little finger detangle. And it's fine. I've really been enjoying the hair because it's nice. It's lighter than what I thought it would be. We'll put it like that. I have put it half up, half down. The way my hairstylist did my crochet braids, it's the illusion. So the illusion of individuals. I ain't got time for all that. Y'all know this ain't my hair. So I really have been enjoying it. Now, I cannot say that I've gone to anyone's pool or beach with this hair, okay? I have washed it. It's fine. But I can't attest here and say, oh my God, this is good vacation hair. Child, I don't know. But from my natural sweating and, you know, my manipulation, it's been fine. But I can't tell you how it's going to react to that ocean water or that chlorine pool water. I don't have any information for you guys for that. So I can't sit here and say it's great vacation here. I don't know. As far as the maintenance, this is low maintenance but also high maintenance at the same time. As far as shampoo and conditioner, I just used some Miele. That's what I had on deck because I wanted something to have my hair smelling good. The first batch of hair had the smoke, took it out. The second batch of hair did not have any smell, but I still washed it. You definitely need to wash this hair because it was dirty. That water was dirty. Not like the filthiest water I've ever seen, but it was brown. So make sure you wash this hair before just applying it to your head. I just use shampoo and conditioner. I use shampoo for my scalp. Okay, then let it run, and then conditioner, I'll just throw a little conditioner on the actual shaft of the hair, let it sit for a second, rinse it out, and let it air dry. and then take a blow dryer to my scalp because you don't want any sort of mold or mildew forming there. On the daily side of maintenance, every other day from the same Mealy line, I use the leave-in conditioner. I'll take a couple of spritzes of that into a little spray bottle, fill that thing up with some water, get my scalp, get the hair. That's all I've put in here. I have not put any sort of mousse in this hair because I don't know. I just kept getting conflicting information like, oh, you should put mousse in it because it'll preserve the curls, but also it's more alcohol based, so it's going to be crunchy. I didn't want crunchy hair. You see how fluffy this hair is. That's what I was going for. So I wanted fluffier hair. I didn't care if it was a little bit more frizzy because I like big hair. This is all of the hair in the front. It's a lot of hair. I think my hairstylist could have gotten away with 6 bundles. 4 bundles, you're playing yourself, truly. Unless you got a tiny, tiny peanut head. That's the only way you're getting away with 4 bundles, babes. So, yeah, I do have a lot of hair. It is long, and I really, really like it. I've had this hair in for a month now. It's great. I have no complaints with it. No complaints at all. Now, what I will say, I just checked to get the information on this hair. This hair right now, they're bugging. They are charging for the same strands $68 for a pack. Wait for a sale. Don't pay over $50 for this hair. But I am going to be reusing this hair, so I will be delicately taking this out. And I also wanted to buy 2 more packs, so the hair that's on reserve is on reserve for maybe next year or even the year after that, because again, I'm trying to get my money's worth with this hair. But yeah, as far as any tangling, I haven't washed it. I need to wash my hair now, but yeah, just you'll get a little something, but it's a quick little finger to tangle. And like, I love this hair. I absolutely love this hair. No notes. No notes. Yeah, I didn't get all of the jazz that, you know, some of the influencers get online. You know how people be getting all the foo-foo-la stuff. My first order, I didn't get like the crochet needle and the jewel. I didn't get any of that. But my second order I did, which is funny because I ordered less hair. Don't know. Don't care. But yeah, this hair is phenomenal. I 1000% recommend it. Not at this current price. Wait till there's a sale or you got a coupon or something. But very long hair. They do have different lengths if 24 is a little too long for you. They do have 10 inches, 14, 18, 24, and 30. Child, I can only imagine what 30 is. Because if they're giving you an extra 2 inches, it's probably like a 32. They also launch colors, which I'm really upset about, because imagine this in a 30 or a 27, which they have both of. I was like, damn. But the only thing about those, like, I would prefer some sort of an ombre because I like my roots to be dark because it's a little bit more believable. But overall, love the hair. Maintenance, you know, I do like every other week, and this is where the high maintenance come in. Every other week, I will literally like go through each strand and just pull the hair away from the braid like this and detangle here, because you'll be surprised how many little tangles you get with the little piece of hair, and then detangle the bottom. So that part is a little bit tedious. So that's why I say it's a little low maintenance, a little high maintenance, because I don't do that every day, every week. I do it every other week, maybe even 3 weeks sometimes. Like, but I have noticed when I do that, it does help with the tangling and matting. As far as shedding goes, I haven't seen hair on the floor, which is fabulous because I'm a wig wearer and I always see hair. The only time I do see hair on the floor is if I am doing a detangle, a deep detangle, nothing like finger detangle wise. But overall, 1000% recommend this hair. I love it. Have no complaints about it. Shipping was decent. I'm definitely going to order the 2 packs at some point when I see it for the price that I paid for it. But overall, I like it, and it's an investment if you want to make that investment. But I really enjoy the actual human hair that they have on the strands. So check out some of my other videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.